Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. We go on to news on the National Vaccination Program. A vaccination blitz will go ahead as planned this weekend. This as the country received well-needed doses today. Here's Cody Barrett with that report.
Vaccines at last, this at a time when there was great uncertainty about the national inoculation program. Jamaica welcomed 65,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine Wednesday afternoon, donated by the Mexican government. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said it was a strengthening partnership between Jamaica and Mexico. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says with the worldwide shortage of vaccines, this gift from the Mexican government symbolizes the global effort needed to fight the pandemic.
From a public health perspective, it signifies the importance of global collaboration in the fight against this global pandemic. We fall or we rise together. And I think the bigger message around this gift today is that if we do not collaborate, we are not going to overcome what is a threat to mankind.
Both Jamaica and Mexico, we share a strong conviction that overcoming the enormous global challenges presented by the COVID-19 pandemic requires some real commitment from the international community to engage in an extensive effort of cooperation among all the nations of the world. We need to freely share experiences, resources to successfully fight this scourge.
Last week, some persons turned up at vaccination centers but were unable to secure their second dose. Now, Dr. Tufton said this weekend will see those persons prioritized for this batch of vaccines.
The plan is to administer second dose only to those persons who are due their second dose, who fall in the 8 to 12 week period, or should I say 8 or over. And I'm saying this to the local media. This weekend's blitz from Friday to Sunday, possibly Monday, will be for only persons who fall in that 8 week or over period.
He is therefore urging Jamaicans who are not in that category to avoid going to this weekend's vaccination blitz. Once that backlog is cleared, normal vaccinations can resume, with the Mexican government promising more donations.
We're trying to develop our own vaccines in Mexico. Birmex is the company that is partly owned by the Mexican government, and we are trying to, as fast as we can, come up with our own vaccine, and then we're going to be able to share as much vaccines as are going to be needed for our fellow countries.
So far, the country has received 259,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. 173,000 Jamaicans have received their first dose, with 84,000 people now fully vaccinated. However, Jamaica's rate of inoculation still remains low, with over 90% of the population yet to receive their first shot. Cody Barrett, TVJ News.